Your social media feed is probably lying to you about the secret to perfect hair. You have likely seen those sleek videos where a person glides a futuristic looking brush through a tangled mess and suddenly it looks like a shimmering silk curtain. This specific gadget is called the Nectavira massage comb. It is absolutely everywhere right now. It claims to be an all-in-one savior for your scalp. It vibrates. It mists. It detangles. It even features a self-cleaning mechanism on the surface. That sounds like a dream. Who wouldn't want a little spa treatment while getting ready for work? The device has a tiny reservoir for water or a light hair serum. It releases a fine mist as you move it through your strands. This can definitely help with frizz in the short term. It makes the hair a bit more manageable if you are dealing with those stubborn morning knots. But we need to look past the shiny filters and the fast-paced editing that dominates our screens. The marketing for this thing is incredibly aggressive. They show before and after shots that look like a total transformation. They hint at repairing damaged hair or making it grow faster than ever before. Let's be real for a second. A vibrating brush with a misting function is not going to change your biological makeup. It is not going to magically fix split ends that have been there for months. Split ends only go away with a sharp pair of scissors at the salon. The idea of a scalp massage is great for circulation. It feels good. It might help you relax after a stressful day. But claiming it will result in a sudden mane of thick hair is a massive stretch of the truth. You also have to look closely at the numbers. The website shows thousands and thousands of 5-star reviews. That should always trigger a little alarm bell in your head. When a product has a perfect score across a massive volume of users, it is worth doing a bit of independent digging. Check the return policy with a critical eye. They mention a very long money-back guarantee. However, those can be very tricky to actually use. You might have to pay for shipping back to a warehouse located halfway across the world. Sometimes the cost of that shipping is more than the refund itself. Is it a scam? Probably not in the sense that you will actually get a physical item in the mail. It is a real gadget that does what it says on a basic level. It brushes. It vibrates. It sprays. But the miracle part is where the marketing takes over from the actual reality. If you want a fun new tool to help with detangling and you love the feeling of a scalp massage, it might be a nice treat for yourself. Just do not expect to wake up looking like a hair commercial model overnight. Keep your expectations grounded. Look for real videos from people who are not being paid to promote it. The lighting in those viral clips is doing a lot of the heavy lifting. Real hair has texture and real hair has flaws. No battery-powered brush is going to change the laws of physics or biology. It is a grooming tool. It is not a time machine for your follicles. Be a smart shopper and look at the fine print before you hit that buy button. Don't let a clever ad talk you into believing in magic. Most of the time, the simplest tools are the ones that actually work best for your daily routine.